Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Namecheap or creating an account. Make sure your payment method is ready. Once done, open the domain search and enter your primary name plus 1 or 2 backups to compare availability. At the same time, choose a hosting plan that matches your traffic needs: shared for small sites, VPS for growth, managed WordPress for convenience. This gets you into the shopping flow quickly so you can lock a domain before someone else does. You add the available domain to the cart and set the registration length, because longer terms reduce renewal hassle and sometimes save money. Next, choose your hosting plan and click Add. Compare CPU, RAM, and storage specs if picking VPS. Make sure to turn on Whois privacy to protect your info, and decide if you want auto-renew to prevent accidental expiration. Finally, apply any promo codes, review the total, and proceed to checkout. You finish by configuring DNS. Either set Namecheap name servers to your hosting provider or update the record to the server IP. Once DNS is set, install an SSL certificate from Namecheap or enable a free Let's Encrypt certificate to secure your site. Test site propagation with a browser and note it can take 24-48 hours. Meanwhile, clear your local DNS cache if you see outdated content. If things go wrong, verify name server entries and hosting IPs, then contact Namecheap support with account details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.